Hello everyone, and welcome to a video on how to replace the battery on a keyless entry key fob, this being a Toyota group key fob. This can also apply to the Lexus group key fobs as well that are keyless. This particular one is from a Toyota Auris, but it's the same for the Verso, the Prius, etc. And the battery size, I've already double checked, is the CR1632. Hope you can see that. There you go, CR1632. So that's what you need to look for. These I got off Amazon. I got a pack of 10 of them for £1.80 including delivery. So what you need to do, just press that button there, and I should add, you can do all of this without a tool. So just take the key out. This is also for when the battery runs out and you need to have emergency access to the vehicle. So all you do, what they've kindly done is put a slot there, you see the top there, and you just literally insert it in there like that, and then you twist. And there you are. It opens up, and there is the battery itself. See, it's upside down here. We'll turn it around. You can see that 1632. Okay, so I'm going to do this with it, but I would normally advise you, if you do have the tool available, you use a small little paper clip or a little pin, or if you got one of those electrical screwdrivers with a really small flathead. All you do, if you don't, then you can do this as well. So what you do is just gently put the thin bit of the key gently underneath here. Hold it, because if you don't hold it, this whole rubber thing pulls up like so. So you just hold it down, and it should pop out. There you go. And all you do is the reverse. So I've got the new battery here. So the negative down here, so you should always put it down so that you can see the size of, the model number of the battery itself, so that way you know you put it right. So I'll make sure everything's as it should be. Let's see if it works first before I, there you go, red light showing. Perfect. So that's all there is to it. All we need to do now is put this back the way it was. So we'll do that now. So make sure you line it up with that. So it's quite simple really. So you just need to just press all the corners, it's clicked. Then you just put that back inside. Just check one more time. Red light showing, it means it's working. And that's all there is to it, ladies and gentlemen. Hope that helped, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.